Hello everyone, welcome once again to my English learning channel, Develop Learning. We are going to watch some more examples of past tense using main verb. In past tense, there is no rule for subject. Let your subject be I, we, you, they, he, she, it. Still, I have the formula subject plus second verb and the object. Now let us see the example with a regular verb and the irregular verb. So regular verb, I take help. Three forms: help, helped, helped. Positive statement, I helped my mother. Negative statement, I didn't help my mother. Positive question 1, did I help my mother? Negative question 1, didn't I help my mother? Positive question 2, why did I help my mother? How did I help my mother? When did I help my mother? Negative question 2, always with why. Why didn't I help my mother? Let us take a second example with irregular verb. Okay, the irregular verb is go, went, gone. Okay. Positive statement, I went to the market. Negative statement, I didn't go to the market. Positive question 1, did I go to the market? Negative question 1, didn't I go to the market? Positive question 2, why did I go to the market? When did I go to the market? How did I go to the market? With whom did I go to the market? Multiple options are available. And negative question 2, why didn't I go to the market? So guys, understand past tense because majorly we use past tense in our day-to-day conversation. So I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.